Hello, hi my student. Today I give you a simple and humble introduction about your chapter acid and base. What is acid and what is base? You are also familiar with different type of acids and bases. We can notice here lactic acid, where we can see the lactic acid from milk, curd, etc. Then we know the citric acid. Citric acid we find in lemon. Another image is about vinegar. The vinegar contains acetic acid. Here the milk contains lactic acid and the lemon contains citric acid. The vinegar contains acetic acid. Here we can see the image of a detergent, a toothpaste and a black hair dye. These elements are bases. Earlier we see the some pictures of acids and now we see the some pictures of bases. How we check an element is acid or base? Let's check it. We use some indicators to find the acidic and basic properties. Here we have a natural indicator. Its name is litmus paper. A litmus is taken from lichens. Lichens is a natural organism. For our easier use, we converted the lichens into litmus solution and litmus paper. We have litmus papers in two colors. We have available litmus papers in two colors. One is blue litmus paper and another is red litmus paper. We take here a solution of acid. Then we dip a blue litmus paper. Just in time it turns into red color. Then we can confirm that solution is acid. We have another solution of base here. We dip the red litmus paper into it. It turns into blue color. Using this method, we can find an unknown solution is acid or base. When we dip blue litmus paper into a solution, it turns into red color. We can conclude that the solution is acid. At the same time, we dip the red litmus paper into unknown solution. Then it's turned into blue in color. We can conclude that the solution is base. Here you can see the natural acid base indicator. Red cabbage, turmeric and hibiscus. The next photo is about synthetic indicator. Methyl orange and phenolphthalein are synthetic indicators. We can check the solution is acidic or basic using these indicators. Here the clear picture. Methyl orange is added into a solution. The solution turn into red color, it's acid. Then the solution is turned into yellow color, it's base. The next is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein added into a solution. the solution color is not change. There is no change in color. We can find that it's a acid. Then the solution turn into a pink color. We can say that the solution is base. We can familiar some names of acids. These are acids. Here the HCl is the chemical name of hydrochloric acid, and the H2SO4 is sulfuric acid, HNO3 is nitric acid, CH3COOH is acetic acid. Here we can show some base. NaOH is sodium bicarbonate. CaOH is calcium bicarbonate. KOH is potassium hydroxide. MgOH2 is magnesium hydroxide. NH4OH is sodium hydroxide. That shows the difference between the acids and base. On the first tabular column, you can see here the specification of acids and here the specification of bases. And first point, acid has sour in taste, and acids turn blue litmus into red color. Acids changes methyl orange to red color. Phenolphthalein remains colorless in acids. Acid do not give soapy touch. Acid gives hydrogen ion in combined with a solution. Next we can check the base. The base has bitter in taste. The base turns red litmus paper into blue color. Base change methyl orange to yellow color. Phenolphthalein gives pink color in bases. The bases have soapy in touch. Give hydroxyl ion in solution. When a base added into a solution, it gives hydroxyl ions. So we can check the next table. Acid gives off hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. This is the most common questions in exams. So we can note this. Then here the this point is we can discuss in earlier. It has sorted, we can use that. And the next important thing is its pH value ranges from 1 to 7. Please note the students, the acid has a pH value of 1 to 7. In this chapter, we can study about pH scale. pH scale is invented by Sorensen. It's based on the hydrogen potential of different solutions. The example of acid is HCl, H2SO4, etc. In the case of base, bases give off hydrogen ion when it's dissolved in water. It's very important. This point we can discuss in earlier. Bitter taste and soapy in touch we can discuss in earlier. The pH value ranges from 7 to 14. The bases have a pH value of 7 to 14. Some examples are here, NaOH and KOH. So you can add here the 7 point is here, add here, this is here, and we can here 8. Use this point is here. Total set There is the total acid and base set. Then 9 point is some examples. Just the tabular column is completed. You can get full mark for the comparison of acids and bases. Please follow me.